Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talk English World.
Hi there. We are so happy you are here with us today.
I am Sarah, and this is Mike. We are your English practice friends.
Today is episode 188, and today's topic is one that will save you from some very common and very fixable problems.
Today, we are talking about how to avoid common speaking mistakes.
Common speaking mistakes, these are errors that almost every English learner makes at every level, beginner, intermediate, even advanced.
But here is the beautiful thing. Once you know what the mistakes are, you can avoid them and fix them much faster than you think.
Today, we will look at the most common speaking mistakes, why they happen, what they sound like, and most importantly, how to correct them.
We will go slowly, one mistake at a time, easy and clear. Let's begin.
First, let's talk about our attitude toward mistakes.
Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are information. They tell you exactly where to focus your attention.
Every mistake you identify and fix makes you a better speaker, so approach today's episode with curiosity, not shame.
We are not here to criticize. We are here to help you grow. Let's grow. Common mistake number 1, saying the wrong preposition.
Prepositions are small words like in, on, at, for, with, about, to, of, and they cause so many mistakes.
This is because prepositions do not translate directly from other languages, and they must be memorized in fixed phrases.
Let's look at the most common preposition mistakes. First, interested in, not interested about.
Wrong. I am interested about music. Correct. I am interested in music.
I am interested in blank. Say it. I am interested in blank.
Second, good at, not good in.
Wrong. She is very good in cooking. Correct. She is very good at cooking.
Good at blank. Say it. Good at blank.
Third, depend on, not depend of.
Wrong. It depend of the weather. Correct. It depends on the weather.
It depends on blank. Say it. It depends on blank.
Fourth, arrive at or arrive in, not arrive to.
Wrong. I arrived to the airport at 6. Correct. I arrived at the airport at 6.
Arrived at blank. Say it. Arrived at blank.
Fifth, looking forward to, not looking forward for.
Wrong. I am looking forward for the weekend. Correct. I am looking forward to the weekend.
I am looking forward to blank. Say it. I am looking forward to blank.
The fix for preposition mistakes: learn prepositions in complete phrases, not as single words. Interested in, good at, depends on, arrive at, looking forward to.
Preposition mistake, fixed. Common mistake number 2, forgetting the third person S.
In present tense, when the subject is he, she, or it, you must add an S to the verb.
This sounds simple, but so many learners forget it, especially in fast speech.
Wrong. She work at a hospital. Correct. She works at a hospital.
Wrong. He go to school every day. Correct. He goes to school every day.
Wrong. It cost $50. Correct. It costs $50.
Wrong. My brother live in Chicago. Correct. My brother lives in Chicago.
The rule: he, she, it plus present tense verb equals add S.
He works. She eats. It runs. He goes. She teaches. It costs. Practice these until they are automatic.
Let's say some now. He blank. Fill in works. He works.
She blank. Fill in reads. She reads.
It blank. Fill in costs. It costs.
Third person S mistake, fixed.
Common mistake number 3, using the wrong tense.
Mixing up present and past tense is one of the most common mistakes, especially when telling stories.
Wrong. Yesterday I go to the store and I buy some groceries. Correct. Yesterday I went to the store and I bought some groceries.
Wrong. Last week she tell me about the project. Correct. Last week she told me about the project.
The key: past time words need past tense verbs. always.
Yesterday equals went, not go. Last week equals told, not tell. This morning equals ate, not eat. Last night equals saw, not see.
Let's practice. Yesterday, I blank to the park. Correct it.
Yesterday I went to the park.
Last night, she blank a movie. Correct it.
Last night she watched a movie.
Tense mistake. Fixed.
Common mistake number 4, overusing the word very.
Many learners use very for everything. Very good, very bad, very big, very tired, very happy.
Using very constantly sounds repetitive and weak. Native speakers use stronger, more specific words.
Instead of very good, say excellent, fantastic, outstanding, wonderful.
Instead of very bad, say terrible, awful, horrible, dreadful.
Instead of very big, say huge, enormous, massive, giant.
Instead of very tired, say exhausted, drained, wiped out.
Instead of very happy, say thrilled, overjoyed, delighted, ecstatic.
Instead of very cold, say freezing, icy, bitter cold.
Instead of very hungry, say starving.
Instead of very scared, say terrified.
Strong, specific words replace very and make your English sound so much richer and more natural.
Overusing very mistake? Fixed.
Common mistake number 5. Literal translation from your native language.
This is when you think in your native language and translate word for word in English. The result sounds grammatically wrong in English.
For example, in some languages, you say, I have hunger, but in English, we say, I am hungry.
In some languages, you say, I have 20 years, but in English, we say, I am 20 years old.
In some languages, you say, how many years do you have? But in English, we say, how old are you?
The fix, do not translate literally. Learn whole English phrases as complete units.
Instead of constructing sentences from your native language, store and retrieve complete English phrases.
For example, I am hungry. I am 20 years old. How old are you? I look forward to it. Nice to meet you. These are complete ready-made English phrases.
When you learn phrases as whole units, you bypass the translation problem completely.
Literal translation mistake? Fixed.
Common mistake number 6. Speaking too fast when nervous.
When learners feel nervous or anxious, they often speed up. They rush through sentences, and this leads to pronunciation errors, skipped words, and unclear speech.
The irony is, speaking faster when nervous actually makes you sound less confident, not more.
Irony means the opposite of what you expect.
Slow, clear, deliberate speech sounds much more confident and impressive than fast, nervous speech.
The fix, consciously slow down. Take a breath before you speak. Pause between sentences. Give yourself space.
A simple technique. Before you speak, take one slow breath, then begin. This resets your pace automatically.
And remember, your listener wants to understand you. They are on your side. Slow down for them and for yourself.
Speaking too fast mistake? Fixed. Common mistake number 7. Saying yes when you do not understand.
Oh, this one is so common. Someone asks, "Did you understand?" And the learner says yes, even when they did not understand at all.
We have all done this, the nod and smile strategy.
But this leads to big problems later. Missed information, wrong actions, misunderstandings.
The fix, always ask for clarification when you do not understand. It is completely acceptable and completely expected.
Instead of nodding and pretending, say, "Sorry, could you say that again?" Or, "I'm not sure I followed. Could you explain that differently?"
Or, just to make sure I understood, are you saying that blank?
Asking for clarification is a sign of intelligence, not weakness.
And most people are very happy to repeat or explain. They want to be understood.
Saying yes when you do not understand, mistake fixed.
Now let's have a real conversation showing both the mistakes and the corrections. Listen carefully.
Hey, how was your meeting this morning?
It went really well, actually. My manager, she really impressed everyone with her presentation. She's very good at explaining complicated ideas.
Oh, that is great. I heard the clients were pretty demanding about the project timeline.
Ha, you are telling me. Yesterday, they wanted everything ready in 2 weeks, but we arrived at a compromise. 3 weeks with weekly updates.
Oh, good. That sounds more manageable. Did everyone agree?
I think so. But honestly, at one point, there was so much technical talk that I was not sure I followed completely. So instead of pretending I understood, I said, "Excuse me, could you clarify what you mean by phased delivery?"
Oh, wow. Good for you for asking.
Exactly, and they explained it clearly. Phased delivery means releasing different parts of the project in stages instead of everything at once.
That makes sense. And how are you feeling about the whole thing?
I was very tired, exhausted, honestly, at the end of the day. There was just so much information. But I'm looking forward to the next phase. I think the team is ready.
That is great. You sound so organized and clear about everything.
I have been working on that. I used to speak so fast when I was nervous, but I made myself slow down today. Take a breath, speak clearly. It helped so much.
Did you hear all the corrections? She works, not she work. Yesterday they wanted, not they want. Arrived at, not arrived to. Exhausted instead of very tired. I am looking forward to, not forward for. And the perfect example of asking for clarification instead of pretending to understand.
All real mistakes, all naturally corrected in real conversation.
Quick review. All 7 common mistakes and their fixes.
Mistake 1. Wrong preposition. Fix. Learn phrases as complete units. Interested in, good at, depends on, arrive at, looking forward to.
Mistake 2. Forgetting third person S. Fix. He, she, it plus present tense verb equals S. He works, she reads, it costs.
Mistake 3. Wrong tense. Fix. Past time words need past tense verbs. Yesterday went, last week told, this morning ate.
Mistake 4. Overusing very. Fix. Use stronger specific words. Exhausted, enormous, terrified, thrilled, outstanding.
Mistake 5. Literal translation. Fix. Learn whole English phrases as complete units, not word-by-word translation.
Mistake 6. Speaking too fast. Fix. Slow down. Take a breath before you speak. Pause between sentences.
Mistake 7. Saying yes when you do not understand. Fix. Always ask for clarification. Could you say that again? Could you explain that differently?
7 mistakes, 7 fixes, all immediately actionable, starting today.
That is the end of episode 188.
Your homework? Identify which of these 7 mistakes you make most often. Just one, and focus on fixing that one mistake this week.
One mistake, 1 week, one focused fix. That is how you make real, lasting progress.
Subscribe to Talk English World. Hit the bell icon, give this video a thumbs up.
Leave a comment and tell us which of the 7 mistakes do you relate to most. Tell us honestly, we are all learning together.
Share this video with someone who wants to speak cleaner, more accurate English.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.
See you in episode 189. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. Make mistakes. Notice them. Fix them. That is the path to fluency. Take care.